Big move just happened in the dollar. Jackson Hole Summit just went down. Trump was speaking all day, right? The question is, how are you going to get into this move and short the dollar? Well, let me show you what not to do. There's a little specific tab on TradingView that you don't want to use, this one. You don't want, fib extensions, you don't want channels, time zone, any of this, trend-based fib time, fib circles, pitch fans, fib wedges, any of this stuff. What you want is, here, I gotta cancel this out now, there we go. What you want is you want to let other markets tell you and give you information about this spot market. And so what do I mean? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out where interest rates are. So what happened to interest rates today? Well, what happened is Jerome Powell came out and basically hinted and confirmed cuts and more cuts. So the market started to price in more cuts. So right now we're at 82% priced in. Should we refresh this and see? And 82%. You see the real-time tracker. You see exactly what happened. We went from 16 basis points priced all the way down to 23 at the low, right? So the first thing you want to do on Monday is you want to check this and you want to say, okay, is this still the case? Are interest rate traders still, pricing more and more probability of a cut? You want to see that get up to 82, 83, 84, 97%. That's where you want to see it, right? And the second thing you want to look at is you want to look at our implied volatility tracker. You want to get an exact turning point, an entry from the options market that the options market's signaling to you and saying, this is a level that we think, you should buy the euro from, right? Not necessarily a support resistance level. Wait for the implied volatility tracker levels to come through, updated around 7:30 a.m. London time, and then map those onto your chart and say, okay, this is going to be the level, this is going to be the level to buy the euro from, to buy the pound from, maybe to short the Swiss franc if you want to do that, or short the dollar yen, as that was just a monster fall that we saw today. All right, everybody, hope you have a good weekend, and I'll speak to you next week.